Hello everyone. Hope you are safe and healthy. I'm very sorry I was not able to upload videos for past few days as I was not well. But yes, now you will be getting regularly the videos. You can watch them, enjoy them regularly now, and I'll try to cover more important topics and more confusing ones, the ones that you are facing problems like topics from ancient history, art and culture, etc. Today, the topic that we'll be dealing with is important governor generals and viceroys. So, this is a very, very important topic and the one that has been demanded by most of you. So, here it is. And yes, I'll be covering more important ones over here, or you can say that I'll be covering few over here, and the rest you can replicate it yourself. Like you can replicate this technique for the rest, the remaining ones. In case you have any problem, you can always connect with me on Telegram. Search Sampurti Memory Booster, or the link is given in the description below. You can connect with me through that. And I'm also posting some additional bytes of information over there on Telegram. So it would be good if you can join us, some practice questions, etc. Also, please subscribe the channel if you have not done it yet, and like the videos, share them with your friends. And it's always good to see your feedbacks in the comment section. Also, if you want me to come up with a specific video, a video on a specific topic, you can always mention it in the comment section below. So here's it is a little bit about me, that I am a national memory champion and I have been selected in top 120 talents of India. So you can read more about me. Now, the technique that we'll be using today is journey method. If you remember, we have used this method to learn biosphere reserves. Today we'll be using this method, but a little variant of this. So it is more interesting to learn. Now, in our journey, the landmarks that we'll be using are poster of Kapil Sharma show, corn stall, well, then bar, football ground, and wooden house, a beautiful wooden house. And the Governor Generals that we'll be covering are Warren Hastings, Lord Cornwallis, Lord Wellesley, Lord Hastings, Lord William Bentinck, and Lord Dalhousie. So 6 of them we'll be covering, and you will be amazed to see that all the points related to the 6 Governor Generals, they will be at your tips in the very first go. So let's start. So we'll be trying to associate the Governor Generals with our landmarks. I have taken a common example of landmarks like Kapil Sharma show, corn stall, well. You can also take the landmarks as per your journey route. For example, if you are going from your home to your friend's house, so all the landmarks that you come across, you can use them to learn the Governor Generals. So starting with Warren Hastings. Now this is a very interesting story. Warren Hastings. Hastings, I can see this hasty, hasti means to laugh. So whenever we see this comedy nights with Kapil show, so we always laugh a lot. So हंसते हंसना laugh, right? हम कपिल शर्मा का शो देखकर हंसते हैं, एंजॉय करते हैं. सो वही कपिल शर्मा का शो हम यूज करेंगे आज वॉरेन हेस्टिंग्स को याद करने के लिए. अब इसको बहुत अच्छे से इमेजिन करते हैं. सो द फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज first governor of Bengal. So let's say that my code for Bengal is bangles. Okay. So I can imagine that this Kapil Sharma, this Kapil is wearing bangles. It has come to its set. ये कपिल शर्मा का सेट है और यहाँ पर एक सोफा है और वो बड़े अच्छे से आता है बैंगल्स पहनकर और यहाँ बैठ जाता है. So can you imagine Kapil Sharma wearing bangles? Have you ever imagined that with this Kapil Sharma show you can learn some important topics? I guess no. But yes, now it will be very interesting. अब जब भी आप कपिल शर्मा का शो देखोगे, so all the things, all the points will be automatically striking you, right? So he is the first governor of Bengal. That means कपिल शर्मा जो है बैंगल्स पहन के आता है उस दिन शो में और आपको पहले ही हंसी आ जाती है. जैसे ही वो एंट्री मारता है आप हंस हंस के लोटपोट. सेकेंड इज रेगुलेटिंग एक्ट ऑफ 1773. सो 73, अगर ये ईयर हमें याद रखना है, बिकॉज 17 वी कैन हैव एन आइडिया कि 18 सेंचुरी की बात है, बट 73, सो वी कैन इमेजिन 1975. 75 में देयर वाज एन इमरजेंसी, इंटरनल इमरजेंसी. So he was born just 2 years before internal emergency. That means in 73. So Regulating Act of 1773. First Anglo-Maratha War and Treaty of Salbai. Anglo-Maratha, Maratha, Paratha, Treaty of Salbai, Saltree, I can see Saltree. So just imagine that Kapil Sharma is sitting on the sofa with bangles. He is wearing bangles and here is a tree, Saltree, and he is eating parathas. He's eating parathas, busy eating parathas in the show also. You are watching him laughing and he's busy eating paratha with bangles और खन खन की आवाज आ रही है जब वो खा रहा है, right? And he is sitting under the saltry, मतलब उसने उसका set ऐसा बनाया है कि there is a saltry beneath the saltry, under the saltry there is a sofa where he's sitting wearing bangles, and he is a person who is born in 1773, just 2 years before internal emergency. Now, ends to the dual system of administration. Dual means two. So he says that he makes an announcement while sitting on the sofa and eating parathas. He makes an announcement that today is the last episode of season 2. Okay, last episode of season 2. So 2 means dual system, right? Like this you can learn. Okay, so today is the last episode of season 2. Supreme Court at Calcutta. Calcutta, kata, cut. So cat I can imagine for this cat. So I can imagine now. Till now only Kapil Sharma was here. तो उसने सब announcements करे, सब करा, busy eating parathas. Now cat makes an entry. Cat makes an entry and she sits beside this Kapil Sharma. Cat यहाँ बैठ जाती है Kapil Sharma के बराबर में, and she says, "Today I am the boss. Kapil Sharma, you shut up. Today I am the boss. I will handle the show." Right? So you can imagine a beautiful fat white cat sitting besides Kapil Sharma. Asiatic Society of Bengal, and yes, Supreme Court. That means the theme of Kapil Sharma show today in the last episode of season 2 is Supreme Court, means the cat will act as a judge of this show today. So this cat is sitting besides Kapil Sharma and she will act as a judge of the Supreme Court. So Asiatic Society of Bengal. Asiatic lion is very famous. So now Asiatic lion also takes an entry. Okay, here this is an Asiatic lion. I know it's pretty bad, but still you can imagine this is Asiatic lion. And now he comes with an appeal to the cat. So cat is a judge, beautiful white cat sitting beside Kapil Sharma, and this lion comes with an appeal to the cat. First English translation of Bhagavad Gita. Now, while making a judgment, this cat speaks shloks from Gita in English. Okay, this cat speaks shloks of Gita in English while giving the judgments or giving the verdict. Pitt's India Act. Pitts, Brad Pitt, we all have heard, American actor. So, since the cat is the judge of the Supreme Court, she is dressed like a Brad Pitt. She's dressed like Brad Pitt in coat, pant, hat, etc. and makes an entry over here. So, what is the story? The theme of the Kapil Sharma set is Supreme Court today. He's sitting under the sal tree and he's born 2 years before internal emergency, eating paratha, etc. Then he makes an announcement that today is the last episode of season 2. And then the cat makes an entry dressed like Brad Pitt. And then a lion comes with an appeal and the cat gives judgment in English. She uses shloks of Bhagavad Gita and in English. So this was about Warren Hastings. Now coming to Lord Cornwallis. So if you remember in our journey, as you can see over here, poster of Kapil Sharma show was the first landmark and we learned it with the help of, we learned Warren Hastings with the help of this show, this poster. Then we come across Cornstall in our journey. So Lord Cornwallis. So here we can see this Cornwallis. So this is a corn stall. Just imagine that there is a corn stall in your way and you try to learn Lord Cornwallis with this person who is standing on the corn stall. So separation of 3 branches of service: commercial, judicial and revenue. So separation of 3 branches. Now since it is pandemic time, COVID time, so we have to maintain social distancing. So he has very carefully placed the chairs for the people, one this side and one this side, so that there is social distancing. And on the fourth side he is himself standing. So separation of 3 branches, 1, 2, 3, all the 3 chairs are separated. So separation of 3 branches. Then permanent land revenue settlement. Now since this constall is a permanent one, every day he comes over here, this is the fixed spot for him, so he has to pay the rent of this land, pay the revenue. So permanent land revenue settlement. Then reformed, modernized and rationalized the civil service. So you can imagine that this person who is selling the corn is a civil service aspirant, is a UPSC aspirant. Okay, he is doing this part-time job of selling corns to make his daily wages and to मतलब अपना खर्चा चलाने के लिए, ठीक है, to make arrangements for his daily expenses. Then introduce the Cornwallis Code. This is very obvious, Lord Cornwallis, so Cornwallis Code. And Sanskrit College. Now, if a person asks him any question, भैया कितने का कौन दिया, भैया क्या किया, भैया ये, भैया वो, so he replies in Sanskrit. Like the cat was giving a verdict in English, This man replies in Sanskrit. So Sanskrit college. Coming to the next one is Lord Wellesley. Wellesley, I can see this well over here. So I can learn this with the help of a well. So the third spot in our journey was well. So now a person is standing here. This is a person. He's standing here. He's very sad and he is almost crying. So a passerby asked him, "Are bhaiya, why are you sad?" So he says that my 4 wives committed suicide by falling in this well. So 4 wives, that means fourth Anglo-Mysore war. Mysore, my. So my wives, Mysore, my wives. And 4 wives have committed suicide by jumping in this well. So fourth Anglo-Mysore war, Mysore war. Then introduction of subsidiary alliance system. Now he is looking for a 5th wife. Since his 4 wives have committed suicide, so he is looking for an alliance with a 5th lady. So subsidiary alliance system. He is looking for 4 more wives. 4 कूद गई तो 4 और ढूंढ रहा है टू कंपनसेट. सो सब्सिडियरी अलायंस सिस्टम, अलायंस बनाने की कोशिश कर रहा है. फोर्ट विलियम कॉलेज. विल से वेल याद आ जाएगा. सो दिस इज अगेन ऑब्वियस. Coming to the next one is Lord Hastings. Again, hasty, hasti. अब now do not get confused between Warren Hastings and Lord Hastings. Warren Hastings we have learned with the help of Kapil Sharma. Lord Hastings we are learning with the help of a bar. Okay, the next spot, the next landmark in our journey was bar. So now, in a bar, what do people do? They enjoy, they laugh, they talk, they chit chat with their friends. Okay, so hasti, they are enjoying, they laugh. So hasti, that means bar. Anglo-Nepal war. Nepal, pal se I can use the code as pan. Pan is betel leaf, pan. So people are fond of eating pan. So let's make a code of pan for Nepal. Then third Anglo-Maratha war. In Warren Hastings, there was also paratha. Kapil Sharma was eating paratha, but that was first Anglo-Maratha war. Now 3 parathas, Maratha, paratha. So 3 parathas are being eaten by people. We'll make a story. Then introduction of Rayatwari system of Thomas Munro. Rayat, right. So roti I can use. Roti, that means chapati. So pan I have. Then I have roti, that is chapati. And I have paratha. So now you can imagine that in the bar, people are enjoying beer or wine. You can say people are enjoying beer and wine. And they eat something in Chakna. So what they are eating? Something weird you saw. You saw that in Chakna they are eating pan with roti, that is chapati or paratha. So third Anglo-Mysore war, and with this you can remember Rayatwari system. For pan you can remember Anglo-Nepal war. So in a bar people were enjoying red wine. As you can see over here, people are drinking beer, they are enjoying, they are laughing. So Hasti, Lord Hastings. And in Chakna what they are eating? They are eating roti or paratha with pan ki sabzi, right? The next one is Lord William Bentinck. Now, the next landmark was football ground. Now, how to relate William Bentinck with football ground? So, Bentinck. Over here, I can see kick. Bentinck, tick. So, this tick I changed into kick. So, in the football ground, people kick the football and play the game. So, Bentinck, kick, so football ground. Now, we will be associating the points with football ground. So Charter Act of 1833. 33 I can pick up over here again. So 33, just remember that the boys that are playing here are of 33 years of age. They are middle-aged people and they are enjoying playing football. So 33. Abolition of Sati. Abolition of Sati. Now, just imagine that while they were playing, one of them fell down. Okay. The people, like they are playing, there are many players. One of them fell down and he like got injury in his head or in his heart or something. His heart stopped working and he died. Okay, so his wife was about to commit sati, but his friend, this person, she saved his wife and said, no, you don't have to commit sati now because it has been abolished. So abolition of sati. Resolution of 1835 and education reforms. Introduction of English as the official language. Now, as you can see, these are Englishmen who are playing football. And Englishmen are very soft, very delicate. So, as they fell down, they die. So, how we can remember middle-aged people playing football? By kicking football. So, William Bentinck. Middle-aged, so 1833 Charter Act. and then one of him fell down, died. So his wife was about to commit sati, but his friend saved his wife, and finally they were speaking English. Are ball fake, kick mar. So they were speaking in English. Kick the ball, kick the ball. Hey man, kick the ball. Okay, so introduction of English as the official language. The next one is Lord Dalhousie. Now, the next landmark in our journey was Wooden House. Wooden house, a very beautiful wooden house, as you can see in the picture, a beautiful wooden house. So, Lord Dalhousie house. So, I can make my code as Dalhousie because I can see housey. That means I can change it into house. So, Lord Dalhousie is associated with house. Now, introduction of the doctrine of lapse. So introduction of the doctrine of lapse, collapse. Then Wood's dispatch. Wood, I can imagine this wooden house as I told you. So Wood's dispatch is obvious with this wooden house. Now introduction of doctrine of lapse. Lapse, as I told you, collapse. So just imagine that all of a sudden there was a storm, a cyclone, like you can see nowadays, cyclone Torte, cyclone Yas. Okay, so there was a cyclone, severe cyclone, and this house collapsed. This house fell down, it collapsed. So, doctrine of lapse. It was a wooden house, so Wood's dispatch. Railway minute of 1853. Railway. Now, as soon as the house collapsed, there was everywhere running. Like people came out of their house. Some of them died. Some of them survived. So there was lot of like a hodgepodge, and people were running in all directions. So those who survived, they took the train and went to their relative's house. So they took the train. They went to their relative house via train. Train means rail in Hindi. So railways. So railway minute of 1853. Telegraph and postal reforms. Postal means to post something. So they posted letters to their relatives that यहाँ पर ये हो गया, please हमें मदद करो. So they also posted letters. Some of them went to their relatives' house via train. That means railway minute. Some of them posted letters to their relatives' homes or relatives' houses, right? To their relatives to help them. So postal reforms. Widow Remarriage Act. Now, some of them, like in some of the families, the husbands died and they were survived by their wives, their children. So the wives were again remarried. Okay, those who survived. So the people from NGO came to help them and they remarried those widows. Okay, so that they can live a happy life in future. So Widow Remarriage Act of 1856. So I hope this helped you. Let's see if we are able to recall all the points with the help of few questions. So the first question is, which of the following is or are correct with respect to Warren Hastings? Warren Hastings, if you remember, Kapil Sharma. Okay, Comedy Nights with Kapil Sharma, that poster. Now let's see. Fourth Anglo-Mysore War. Mysore, my wives. So Wellesley, well में कूदी थी. So this will be wrong as we are talking about Warren Hastings. That means Kapil Sharma. Treaty of Salbai. Yes, Saltree वो Kapil Sharma के show में था. So this is correct. Supreme Court at Calcutta. Yes, CAT. So CAT was there in Kapil Sharma show. So this is correct. Introduction of Rayatwari. Rayat was roti. So people were eating roti in bar. That means Lord Hastings and not Warren Hastings. So only statement 2 and 3 is correct. That means option C is correct. So C is the answer. You can pause the video and solve the questions yourself to analyze how much you are able to learn in very first reading. And then you can check it. The second question is, his time period was the period of wars. Two major wars, namely Third Anglo-Maratha War and Anglo-Nepal War, took place during his tenure. Which of the following Governor General is being referred to in the above passage? So Lord William Bentinck. Bentinck was kick. So kick in the football ground. So Maratha was paratha. Nepal was pan. So nothing of this sort happened in football ground. So this is wrong. Lord Hastings. Yes, Lord Hastings, people were enjoying in bars. So they were eating paratha with pan. Paratha and roti. Chapati with pan. So this is correct. So answer is B option. Then, which of the following Governor General introduced subsidiary alliance system? Alliance. He was looking for marrying more, 4-5 wives. Why 4-5 ladies marrying? Because his 4 wives committed suicide by falling in the well. So Lord Wellesley. That means answer D. So I hope it helped you. Please like the video if you genuinely liked it. Share them with your friends. Comment in the comment section below. Give your feedbacks as it motivates me to work harder for you guys. Stay tuned for more amazing videos. Subscribe the channel. Have a good day.